Well, we didn't get any rain last night. However, we're supposed to get rain today. It's kind of misting out right now. It's just really damp. I mean, things are getting wet. I mean, if you look at the lawnmower seat, it's got a little water in it. Definitely too wet to get back out in the field now. We thought about it earlier, but now it's I don't think there's any recovery today. Unless a miracle would happen and the sun would come out and it'd get warm and a little breezy, but beans are going to soak up this moisture in the pods and everything. We're not going to be in the field today. I would almost be surprised if we're in the field tomorrow, because we're supposed to get some heavier rain this afternoon, but that we'll see on that. Anyway, guys, with the rain now, I may get this it is primed, but I may get some base and clear on that. Don't really want to do it when it's quite this humid out. I need to finish sanding on the tailgate, then it's ready for base and clear. So I am going to get to sanding on the tailgate, and then we'll see about getting some base and clear on that. How do you feel about that, buddy? I don't know, I just want to lay down and take a nap somewhere. Okay, well, I've got this tailgate all cleaned off. I do need to tape it yet, which won't take very long. But it has started to rain this afternoon. I don't think it's gonna last very long, and once it quits, I'm gonna pull my truck out here and I'm gonna get that tailgate painted up. On the radar, there was a red blob coming this way. It wasn't very big. I don't believe it's gonna amount to anything, but this may keep us out of the field tomorrow. I looked at the weather for tomorrow. Not supposed to be real warm, really not warm enough to really paint until probably about 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And if there is a chance that we might get in the field tomorrow, I'd rather get this done today. So that's what I'm gonna try to do here. So I'm gonna get it taped up and ready to paint. And once it stops raining, pull this girl outside and we'll get the painting. Alright guys, so it finally stopped raining. Actually, the sun was out here just a minute ago. I think the rain is over. I think. Anyway, I'm gonna back the truck out and we're gonna get some base and clear on the old tailgate here. So be right back. Time for number 2. Alright guys, we got a couple coats of the Grabber Blue base on this tailgate, looking pretty good. I know it looks a little dull right now. Got to spray clear on it yet. And that is what I'm going to go mix up right now, letting this flash off a little bit. It's a little cool out, so I'm giving it a little extra time. So I'm gonna go mix up some clear. I got my paint gun cleaned out, and we'll spray some clear on this here shortly. I know the lighting isn't very good in here right now. It's just the inside of the tailgate though, guys, so I'm not too concerned about it. But we'll get some clear on this shortly, and it will be done, ready to go up on the Bronco. All right, it is the next morning. Come on, guys. Come on, bud. And let me turn the light on out here. I know my lighting isn't the greatest out here, but did get this all sprayed last night with the base and clear. Looking pretty good. I mean, we know it's not perfect because there were some places that I just didn't get sanded down. Didn't get the edges all feathered out like I said in my last video, but yeah, looking pretty good. I got to pull a tape off of it this morning. It's cold out this morning. It's like 40-something degrees, I think. But no, that turned out good, and I am more than ready now after doing that to get that grabber blue up here on the Bronco. So hopefully that can happen here real soon. Not sure what's going on with field work. It rained yesterday a little bit. Not exactly sure how much. It was like just a heavy mist most of the afternoon. Did rain some later in the day a little bit, not a whole lot. And it's going to be sunny today. I think there's a chance of rain later on, like late this afternoon, overnight, tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. But we'll see what's going on. We may get in the field this afternoon, or we may not. I haven't been out in the field at all to see how wet it is or anything. And the dogs are running around out there already. I got to put a stop to that. Well, I got this one back up here. Buddy's still out there. Not sure what he's trying to do. But anyway, we did get the base and clear on the tailgate here. So I got to pull this tape off yet, which should come right off. Got some just kind of wadded down in there. Just like that. And before I can get the tailgate put back up here on the old Bronco, I want to paint up these brackets and stuff, hinges, and I think with that I'm just going to use Rust-Oleum. I might paint them black. I also there is a blue, let's see, there's a blue that almost matches that grabber blue. I believe it's that one right there, but that can's almost empty. So if I'm going to do that, I need to get some more. But I thought about just painting them black like I did under the hood here, which I'm out of black as well, so I need to pick up a can of black paint. I have to head over to local town, go to the vet over there, and get some more medicine for Buddy. And I think there's a hardware store over there, so I can probably pick up a can of paint as well. So that's what's going on around here right now anyway. And want to also say that if you have been wanting a channel collaboration sticker, you know, from Central Oregon Shenanigans and the Fox Shop when I went out there to Oregon, I still have that available down below. I'm going to leave it up for 1, maybe 2 more days, and then that is all done. And when we do another collaboration, we'll come out with another sticker, t-shirt, hoodies, all that kind of thing. But if you've been thinking about getting one of those, this is your last chance because they're going to go bye-bye. My channel sticker, however, will still be available. Anyway, link for all that stuff will be down in the description. There's also, I think there's a banner underneath my videos that have some of that. It'll take you to the right place if you click on it. And also a link down there for my channel sticker and so forth. Also, be sure to check out Central Oregon Shenanigans. I believe they're starting up Saturday night rides again. I think they filmed one last night, which will be up, well, it'll be up tonight. This video may not come out till Sunday though, but it'll still be up on their channel, so you can go check that out. Also check out Zane over at Hodgepodge Dodge Garage. Trying to help him get his channel going a little bit. We like what he has to offer. He does a really good job with his videos, so we're trying to give him a little boost. Real nice guy. Hodgepodge Dodge Garage. I will link him down below and on the end screen. So with all that being said, we'll just have to see what today has in store. If we don't get in the field, I think I'm going to work on these hinges and stuff, and then I'm going to start prepping the Bronco for primer. It's already all sanded down, just needs to be cleaned off, taped off, and she'll be ready to get primer on it. So anyway guys, give this video a big old thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time. Bye bye.